Welcome back to the channel to do a short install video on my bait tray and my mount. The bait tray is made by Imagine That CNC products. Go check them out if you're looking for a bait tray. They have two sizes, a 16 by 12 and a 13 by 12. The 16 is $60 engraved. If you want it engraved, it's a $80 and approximately $20 for shipping. And he hasn't come out with a price yet for the 1300 series. I will be giving one of those away for my 500 sub giveaway, so I want to thank all you guys for subscribing, sharing, and let's try to get to 1,000. And if we get to 1,000, I'll give a rod and reel away. Mount is from Creek LLC. If you search for them online or Facebook, make sure you add the LLC. If not, you're going to get a lodge and a couple other places. So let's get busy with the install. Okay, here's a bait tray. It's 12 by 16. Obviously, I have the channel's name engraved in it. Has the boat name on the back. And then on my model, I had him cut basically what I call basically cleaning slots. So when I hose it down, the guts and everything have somewhere to go. The two big cutouts are for pliers. The two sides are for fillet knives on each side. And that is the bait tray. And like I said, this is a 12 by 16. The one I will be giving away is 12 by 13. Okay, I went ahead and mounted the base to the bait tray. As you can tell, the bolts a little long. I am going to get shorter bolts and run acorn nuts, so it's a little smoother transition. Then on the bottom side, that is the base. And we'll go out in the boat and install the part of the boat and then put everything together. Okay, I already pre-drilled the holes where I wanted, so let's go ahead and bolt everything up. Okay, now let's bolt up the arm. Forgot something. They give you a star washer that takes up that slack where they don't budge, and I've got it. Okay, there's our arm. Now let's do the tray. Okay, here's the final product. I think it came out pretty nice, better than I thought it would. Like I said, I wish I could have mounted it on a different location, but it still works. I still have full function of my bait tray, my live well, excuse me. And once again, the bait tray is made by Imagine That CNC products. Check them online, and I'll have a link in the description. And the mount is made by Creek LLC, same people who made my Rodzilla T-bar mounts for my rods. So check them out. But I think it's gonna work out perfect, and we have a tournament next weekend to actually use it, and I'll give you feedback. Well, that was the install. Went pretty easy. I really didn't mount it where I wanted to. I wanted to mount it on the transom, but it just wouldn't have been centered. But for what we use it for and what's at, it would work out perfect. So for the 500 sub giveaway, like I said, I will be donating a 1300 series bait tray. Looks like this. And I will be doing a video on that, how to enter. It would probably be do everything on my Instagram, which is Kens_fishing_adventures, and this post will be on that, but I'll do a video on it first. So thanks for watching. Tight lines, and see you next time.